morning. The organ update is back until they take the organ later this year. Just a quick update you can see on the screen. We're continuing to make progress. We're at $67,116 out of $89,838, so we continue to be blessed by our work towards that goal. The piece I'm playing this morning, I looked at some Epiphany tunes this week, and they just didn't really get me excited. So went to an old hymn of the faith, Crown Him with Many Crowns, and just a little shout out to my daughter who bought me an app for my iPad. So this is the first time I'm playing music off of a screen instead of paper, so wish me luck.